Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right access and by opening the appropriate tool for your platform. On Windows, open Settings or run WinVer. On macOS, open About This Mac. On Linux, open a terminal. Once done, make sure to identify whether you're in a virtual machine or physical hardware, because commands and paths differ. These initial checks save time and prevent permission errors, so pause and confirm before you proceed to specific version queries. Now execute the platform-specific commands and interpret the output. On Windows, run WinVer or check Settings System about to see Build and Addition. On Mac OS, use About This Mac or SWVer's product version for precise numbers. On Linux, try unaim R for kernel, LSB release for distro details, or cat/etc/OS release for ID and version. Make sure to note both kernel and distribution version, because the kernel affects compatibility, while the distro controls package behavior. Finish by recording the exact strings you found: kernel number, distro or OS name, build, and addition. This ensures reproducible support steps. If you see no output or incomplete info, rerun the command with elevated privileges or use system information utilities that collect more fields. If something goes wrong, check that system files like /etc/OS release exist, verify the path to commands, and reboot if permissions look corrupted. Those quick checks resolve most discovery failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.